Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. So things have been really slow here in the shop this year. This year's been pretty bad. My customers have all been so short-staffed and hurting for help and material prices, and everything's killing them. So they haven't been doing a whole lot of work. So then that affects me. So things have been really slow. I've been reaching out to different companies and different things, trying to find different things, different work. Actually, I recently picked up a bunch of work from a local CNC shop, some proprietary stuff that they say isn't profitable for them to run on the CNCs, so it comes here. Great. It's very profitable stuff, very good work, but I can't show it, unfortunately. So that's been happening. I've been doing a lot of advertising and a lot of miscellaneous. So I just started writing an article for Iron Age magazine. October 2021, the first issue that my article came in, is about getting my first steam traction engine. And the next article is going to be a repair I did on a Nichols and Shepard crankshaft. So I'm going to do a steam engine repair related machine shop article every issue of this magazine. So hopefully I start getting more steam engine work coming in to do that. I just enjoy doing that stuff. But check it out. I'll put a link in the description to the magazine. It's $30 a year. It's 5 issues. It's a great publication. It's the first one I've ever read cover to cover. There's just so much good stuff in here to read and to see. Some great pictures, early 1900s, just fun stuff. So some changes I want to make to the channel as we're approaching the 1-year mark. We're doing really well. We're growing nicely. It's a lot of fun. I'm enjoying doing this and doing these videos. So I'm probably going to cut back a little bit. Instead of doing every week, it might be every 2 weeks or every month. But I'm going to really improve the video editing and the video quality and things like that. So I really want to boost this channel and get it growing faster and better. I know you guys that are subscribed to really enjoy this, so stick with and we'll see where it goes. Okay, so let's do some viewer mail. I've been sitting on these a while because honestly, I've been waiting to get more stickers for the sticker board, and I'm hoping more people reach out. And so if you got a channel sticker and want to reach out, go ahead. I really would appreciate it. So we're going to start today with Active Atom. They've got a channel. They're out in California. They got some pretty neat stuff. Lance and Patrick, just a couple of crazy guys doing some cool stuff. So check them out. I'll put a link in the description. And this one, Aaron Powder from Australia. Aaron Engineering. Aaron's got a small channel as well. I think he's right at like 1,800 subscribers right now. He's a shop teacher. Been locked down for, I think the last I heard, 240 some days is what I heard. Nice guy, great guy. He's got some interesting stuff. Thank you for the offer to swap channel stickers. It's great watching your content and seeing your channel grow. Thanks for supporting me on social media. Please find a couple stickers included for your shop. So, thank you, Aaron. I really appreciate this. You got some good stuff. So, good channel and good content, and hope you keep growing. And lastly, I had a gentleman reach out to me a while back. He watched one of my videos on machining the mandrel for a sawmill, or machining the collar. And so he sent me his outer collar to resurface it. And he sent me a letter here with the payment. Thank you for your work. I enjoy your machine YouTube shows. One of the best, if not the best. That's nice. Thank you. I really appreciate that. So let's head over and get the stickers up on the new sticker board. So this right here, this area under my main service counter, right inside the front door, is going to be our new sticker board. So remember, if you got stickers, please reach out and send them to me, and I'll do a swap with you. So let's get these on here for everybody to see. So anybody who wants to do a channel sticker swap, please reach out and we'll do a swap. I really would appreciate that, and let's fill that sticker board up and make it look good. With that, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.